Like the guys over here got a pretty big fish. Actually looks like a shark from here. We'll ask for permission before we film, but man, that wind. Whew. So just as an FYI, even though the water is crazy like this, they are still swimming out there. Yeah, that is a shark. It's a black tip. It's easier on Discovery Channel. You know what I'm saying? Over there for like 5 minutes trying to get that hook out of that fish's mouth. It ain't easy. I'm sorry if y'all can't hear me, but this wind is ridiculous.